There is a power to lead the times, to promote history, and to create the world. Guangzhou Scikoon Industry Commerce Limited is striving to advance and has unlimited power to create the future with you. We will create high-quality products of the industry and strive to meet the needs of customers. Guangzhou Scikoon Industry Commerce Limited, established in 2003, is located in Guangzhou, a flower city in the south gate of China. It is an enterprise specializing in the manufacture of oilseed pretreatment equipment, feed processing equipment, bulk material dust suppression equipment, and related general equipment. After years of efforts, Scikoon has become a famous high-quality supplier of grain, oil, and feed machinery and equipment domestic and abroad. Its products cover grain and oil processing, feed processing, grain reserve, chemical industry, chemical fertilizer, wharf loading and unloading, mining and other fields, and have established long-term good cooperative relations, many well-known enterprises domestic and abroad, and the world's top 500 groups, such as Desmet, JJ Lurgi, Italian Andreotti Impianti, Friendship, Crown Asia, Yihai Carey, Cargill, Bunge, Louis Dreyfus, Noble, COFCO, Costco, Jusan, Luhua, and other enterprises. A number of large-scale equipment successfully developed and produced by Scikoon, such as screener, aspirator, conditioner, jet dryer, crusher, flaking mill, cooler, etc., and equipment with large single-unit output at present because of their large output, high efficiency, energy saving, and low maintenance rate. They are widely recognized by the industry. The products are exported to Europe, South America, North America, Africa, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Russia, Australia, Japan, South Korea, and other countries and regions. The affirmation of customers is our unremitting driving force to move forward. Scikoon keeps forging ahead, introduces ERP Manufacturing Management System and LS09001-2015 Quality Management System, and has successively obtained EUCE certification, National High-Tech Enterprise Certification, Guangzhou Enterprise R&D Institution Certification, and Guangzhou Small Giant Enterprise for Scientific and Technological Innovation. It has been included in the 3 Batches Enterprise Library of Guangzhou and has also obtained a number of product R&D patents. Scikoon always adheres to the business philosophy of pursuing excellent management, creating perfect quality, and providing sincere service, and constantly pursues the upgrading of technology and the excellence of equipment manufacturing so as to create maximum value for customers. Scikoon has a professional R&D team and a complete design manufacturing and commissioning system, which can quickly and effectively realize customer needs as high-quality products. In strict accordance with the industrial technical standards and customer requirements, from the core technical scheme to the selection of raw materials and the manufacturing of products. Scikoon implements strict control over all links so as to ensure the optimal product quality. The technology has been constantly updated. The product configuration has been gradually upgraded. The manufacturing process has been continuously improved, and advanced technologies, domestic and abroad, have been used for innovation. All indicators have been improving, and the reputation has always been good. Scikoon adheres to the 5-heart service concept of service starts from the heart, providing customers with high-quality pre-sales, in-sales, after-sales, and related training services to ensure customer satisfaction is the goal that Scikoon constantly pursues. No small steps can make 1,000 miles, and no small streams can make a river. Scikoon attaches importance to the cultivation of talents, and the stability of personnel structure. It has a perfect human resource management mechanism. Through training and practice, it continuously improves the work skills and cooperation awareness of each employee, demonstrates themselves, and reflects their value. If you exert all your strength, you will be invincible. All wise men can do anything. Scikoon carries the ideal, takes new steps, and shines the future with you with exquisite quality and service.